I just, you know, fill the, this was empty, had no gas in it. I just put half a tank in there. I want to just pull it over and see what it does. You know, because it might actually just fire right up. That's in there, that's in there. Give her some primes. Well, you know, it's got oil. It don't look the best, but it's in there. If we can verify spark too, then, well, you know. We got spark. It was probably just a fuel problem. Oh, come on. Oh. Alrighty, bud. I'm sure this is gonna be yucky looking. She's right poopy. Oh yeah. There's a bunch of boogers in it. My fresh gas is coming through nice and good. Oh my god, look at that, dude. Oh, it looks gross. So the jet's definitely clogged. I gotta unclog that. Let me grab some stuff to do that quick. So I flipped it up to keep the bowl from draining. And then I kind of discovered why there's tape on the front here. It's got a pretty nice hole in the tank, so needs a new tank. Now I think the jet is in this. Yeah, it is. Here's a little passageway. Alright, we got some snow finally. It's been some time since I messed with this thing last, but I'm excited to see if it works or not. You know, it's coming up on the new year here, so... And I was able to find a gas tank for it at the junkyard. Alright, let's see if we can get it to run. Choke all the way up. Choke on. She's up. Choke on. Some prime. This thing's hard to start. Oh, you know what? I should probably look and see if it has gas. Yeah. Okay. Let it warm up a little bit more. Fired up first pull though, you get some gas in there. It's crazy how much of a difference that makes. This thing's a little, might need some attention. Now, I don't usually actually snow blow my driveway. I'll just run down the street and get the front end loader. But this was the first, I guess, quasi-plowable snow we got, so I decided to take that thing out for a run. But now, if the front end loader is broken or if it's got a flat tire and I need to get out of the driveway and it's too deep for me to just drive through it, go ahead and fire up this scrap pile snowblower, take it for a rip. It definitely worked all right. I mean, somebody threw that away for whatever, you know, obviously it wouldn't run for them, but it was just the carb needed to be cleaned. The only two things I've noticed is this guy right here. I need to get a new shoe top or just go over this with something so that it's not blowing stuff out, because I actually had a rock come out of this while I was blowing and it hit me in the nose. There's a little rock, but still, I don't want that happening. And the only other thing is the clutch is slipping. There's an adjuster right here where I can adjust that, and then also you can flip it up on the front here, which is what I'm gonna do. Pull this bottom pan off, and you can look in there and see the actual plate that the wheel's riding on. There's a clutch wheel that rides on a plate, spins around in there. You go ahead and take some brake clean off that plate and tighten that up a little bit, and usually you're good to go for a season. You know, if the clutch wheel is really bad, then I'll have to go ahead and pull that apart. But again, for basically free, you know, you can pull these out of the junk pile, side of the road. And you can even buy broken ones on Facebook or Craigslist, you know, tell them 10, 20 bucks. And ideally you want a situation where there's oil in it that looks good, and they said they just didn't use it for a while and it didn't run, and then 9 times out of 10 it's the carburetor just needs to be, you know, cleaned out, blown out, and put some fresh gas in it, and you got a good working machine. So yeah, pretty happy with it. You think so, Maisie, too? She don't care. She just wants to play frisbee. Last night she bonked her head pretty good. I was filming something else and went to throw it for her. You'll notice she don't look. She don't quite look. Here, I'll play the tape. Oh, you okay, cutie? How did that feel? You freaking goon. You alright? I threw it. Go get it. Jesus Christ. Yeah. How you goon? You okay? Did that hurt your noggin? Didn't phase her. She don't care. Alright guys. Peace.